but tone season 1 only tone. Okay, today but tone combo. First of all, check clean your second reward. Okay, then go to airdrop. It listing bitget. Okay, dash dash. Okay, go to spin and go to daily combo. Okay, last this one brown and this one blue and white one and parrot blue. Okay, brown, bird blue, pigeon blue, parrot blue. Let's check it. Okay, it's working. If you want to join, link in description. And this bird airdrop coming maybe 30 November, maybe possible. Okay, if you not connect your wallet, then connect your wallet. I forget to connect it. Thank you for watching my videos.